Now, you mentioned the challenges again, and we don't want to go too deep into the challenges of it. I mean, obviously, in fintech space, you're dealing with lots of regulations. You need a lot of fixed costs. As you said, you need to achieve a certain user base in order to even break even. You need to raise prices in order to have something on the side to increase your workforce in order to then be able to lower prices again and have a market position where you can do that. But as you mentioned, there's also other areas where blockchain and crypto becomes very important and interesting, as you mentioned in your introductory examples. What other areas of life, apart from finance, do you see innovated by blockchain? What can we expect? I mean, maybe not expect too much, but if we could dream, where do you see which are the sectors of life where blockchain will prevail and make our life better?
I mean, that sounds so terrible. I mean, there will not be a sector which will not be affected, like the internet. And I would venture that the revolution is far more profound than the internet. So it's a deeply profound change. And I'm really dreaming of a society which really looks like nature. I mean, nature is, if you go into the forest or jungle, I mean, it's incredible the different animals which interact and plants which interact in this intensity. And the same thing is with society. I mean, we'll move away from a world which just there's the United States and then there's Europe and Russia. It will be a commingling of interwoven kind of value systems. And so, like, you'll have your own token, you'll pay with your own token, you'll receive it. So you live in your world with your value system, and your colleague has his own token, and your company has another token. So we'll be in a completely relativistic world.